Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In today's video, we are gonna see a very trendy collection of bridal pick and pick model soft silk sarees. Some of the Samudriga or Vastragala type model sarees are coming with symmetric borders and the other set are coming as borderless type. The whole body part of the saree is having copper saree woven patterns along with a grand rich pallu and running blouse. These beautiful collections you are getting in a low price, that is direct manufacturing price of 1200 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, directly DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Also follow our Instagram page for daily updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.